Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there are no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy. These arrived yesterday. Carbon fiber. Yeah, carbon fiber. 3-inch deep jaws. Inch, metric, and fractional inch. Right? Well, I bought them because the current project, the calibration rings from my rotary table, all my other calipers are too shallow. I needed 3-inch deep so I could measure that 4.5-inch diameter calibration ring. They're here. After I use them to measure tonight or tomorrow night, I'll tell you what I think of their function. Good night from California.